So the first picture is they are dancing. Say it.
Dancing.
Can you do the dancing? Very good.
Bitch. Aray.
Next picture is they are running.
Running.
Go, run. Very good. The third picture,
Nagiro.
they are swimming.
Swimming.
Swimming. Go.
Aray.
Very good. And he is jumping.
Jumping in the room.
Jump. Very good.
Yung katalon. Yung katalon.
And she is climbing.
Climbing.
Kasi na-break.
Climbing. Very good. What are they doing?
Dancing.
Go, dancing.
Aray.
Next picture. They are
Running.
again.
Running.
Very good. Run. Then
Swimming.
they are
Swimming.
swim now. Next, she is
Jumping.
jumping.
Sirpan.
Very good.
Si Sirpan man ako eh.
Next,
Climbing.
May narinig ka.
what is she doing?
Climbing.
Go, climb.
Aray.
Now, individual. Chichay first. Ano muna kayo? Game. Ito ka muna. Ano?
Climbing.
Asawa ko, bubo pa.
What they are doing?
Dance.
Dancing.
Ulit yun yung gumagawa.
Go, dance.
Climbing.
Climbing.
Very good. Next,
Tingnan natin
They
si
are?
Dora mamaya.
Running.
Si Dora
Running.
Explorer.
go, run.
Paano si Regan mamaya?
Next.
Swimming.
Pa rin.
What?
Swimming.
Go, swim.
Sa swimming.
And this one,
Jump.
jumping. Say it, jumping. Sabi mo, jumping.
Jumping.
Go, jump. Again. Next, climbing. Go, climb. Okay, next.
Aliyan na
Dancing.
Malakas. Dancing.
Dancing.
Go. Next.
Running.
Go.
Swimming.
Very good. Next.
Jumping. Climbing.
Okay, next. Time.
dancing.
Go. Next.
Run.
Running.
Swim.
Swimming.
Swimming. Jumping. Climbing.
Next. Aliyah. Make it loud.
Dancing.
Go. Next.
Running.
Go. This one.
Swimming.
Go. This one. Go.
Jumping.
And this one.
Climbing.
Climbing. Okay, next. Raven.
Dancing.
Go. Next.
Running.
Go. Next.
Swimming.
Go. Next.
Jumping.
Go. Next.
Climbing.
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 Go. Very good. O, dito kayo. Magbaw kayo.
Bangko.
Lahat na. Game. Papakita ko yung picture, ha. O, sabihin nyo muna yung kung ano yung ginagawa, tapos i-act nyo. Game.
Dance. Singing.
Go.
Sing.
Next.
Running.
Mutugo itin ko.
Aray.
Next.
Swimming.
Swimming.
Next.
Jumping.
Sabi ina yun.
Kala tumanin.
Next.
Sigaw si Raven.
Climbing.
Very good. O, bow na kayo. Bow. 1, 2, 3, bow. Very good. Now, I am saying the action word and you do it in action, okay? Running. Jumping. Climbing. Swimming. Dancing. Very good. Again. Running. Dancing. Climbing. Jumping. Dancing.
Yung sinabi, instructor ka na.
Swimming. Very good.